this might be one of the most exciting Adidas pairs I've seen. Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new unboxing episode. I am Alim, the social media and brand content manager. And for this episode, we are unboxing the Adidas Nmd S1. I can't lie, John, I'm gonna need a Jamaican gunshots and special effects, all of that crazy stuff, because I can't lie, this might be one of the most exciting Adidas pairs I've seen. So I first saw these probably last year summer. Do you know, in that hot week of London we had around June? It was the white colorway that was first leaked by an account called Filthy, something like that. So then I think about 2 months later, I saw an IG account, Jenny, aka Wide Awake Earthquake, I think that's the IG handle. She posted the F&F pair, and that was like ice mint on the midsole, and I think there was like 100 pairs, and she got one of those. I think I posted on IG as well, and the poll had like 70% cop, which is quite rare to see anyway. And seeing that from a new Adidas silhouette, I was like, okay, the community is probably gonna get behind this pair. It's February, they're about to release, and seeing them in person, so I'm gassed about being gassed about an NMD, because I remember 2015, they had the sickest run, and to see it now in 2022, I think it's everything you would want it to be. It looks modern, but not too futuristic where it looks a bit off, but it looks very current, it looks very present. Just the aesthetic, the whole vibe is just something exciting to look at. Before we get into the unboxing, we do have to talk about the packaging, because it really does give off a real premium feel. So if I was getting to trainers for the first time, this is what I would expect boxes to look like. I think it's just so sleek, it's really sturdy, it's really good quality, and just hear that sound. Just, you know what I mean? That's like Christmas. So once you back off the top, yeah, it continues the premium vibe because it's separated into like 2 slides, and it quite resembles like premium perfume. So when you do open it, you are greeted with 2 dust bags. You have Adidas branding with the trefoil logo, NMD with the S1. So even just a little attention to detail. This could have been plain and I would have been happy with it, but just that little touch just makes it go a long way. And there is an extra compartment that comes with an extra pair of laces, which is quite cool. All right, so the exciting part, let's take it out the dust bag. Oh man, kicking off, you know what, it's nice to have Primeknit. I haven't worn Primeknit in a while. I miss the way it hugs your foot. It just feels like, you know, you ain't seen an auntie or a grandma for a while, and it wraps you. That's that Primeknit upper. And my actual favorite part of the shoe, yeah, is something I didn't see in the images, and that's the outsole. Why would I be gassed about an outsole? Wow, look at that. Adidas trefoil at the bottom in like tooth-like aesthetic, nice rubber sole. I think it's clean, I think it's slick. You're not gonna be caught slipping in this one. And you can't not talk about the midsole. Look how chunky it is, especially compared to the previous models. So it's quite exciting that they've gone in this direction. Obviously quite trendy right now, but it looks really cool. So the upper is obviously Primeknit, and I can't lie, I do like the sock lining that they had included in this pair. I had the Balenciaga runners, that's like my first pair of like that sock vibe. So I'm quite interested to see how this wraps around my ankle. And then underneath the sock lining, you have the NMD written here, which stands for NOMAD. So behind the translucent midsole, there is the Boost technology. I do think most of you do probably know what Boost technology feels like, but I'm gonna try it on anyway, because I actually can't wait. Ooh! I can't lie, yeah? That's like an instant hug, bro. Like, it's just hooked on, like, it just feels so, oh, this is nice. We're not getting paid for this, by the way. This is pure gas, like. So I've just tried these on for the first time, and I can't lie, I'm actually gassed. The Boost technology does the job that you would expect, but I think with the Primeknit, the way it just hugs your foot just makes the comfort level immense. In terms of sizing, I'm a size 7, and this is a 6.5, so I would recommend either going true to size, but it's okay to go half a size down too. So it's not an Alim unboxing if I don't get John the cameraman involved in the question, and the famous question I will ask him this time is, John, how are you styling up these bad boys?
It's definitely a tech wear kind of shoe for me, so something like a little futuristic with a lot of pockets. I'm going for wide leg cargos, I'm going for a utility vest, something like that.
That was strong. See, this is why I asked him the question, because he knows how to get it right.
You know, stylist.
Hey! So thank you, John, for sharing your expertise, but as everyone else in the office has been saying, they think this is quite a summer shoe. So you know what I'm gonna say, these will be banging with shorts. So the Adidas release date is Friday, the 25th of February, and if you hear our schedule right, these are already dropped. So let us know in the comments if you managed to cop. For those who missed out on this drop though, the resale market might be the only way to go. This is by far the most affordable pair. This will probably set you back about $2. There are 2 other colorways you can get, but they're hella expensive. Alright, boom, so that's our NMD S1 review. For me, you already know I'm pretty gassed about this pair, but I wanna know what you think. Where does this rank in your 2022 releases? While you're still here, I've got 2 video suggestions for you. We have our latest episode of Insole that dropped yesterday, and we also have a video on the New Balance 550, everything you need to know. So I've been Lim, thank you for watching our unboxing. Don't forget, you know the vibe, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next unboxing.